In today's rapidly changing world, fostering social innovation has become imperative. To explore effective tools and methods of social innovation, we delve into the dynamic landscape of creating positive social change. This exploration aims to uncover innovative approaches, frameworks, tools and methods, primarily focusing on the fundamental explanation of those. Let's continue this journey of discovery together. In the context of problem-solving, innovation, and achieving specific goals, the terms tool, method, and approach are distinct concepts, each with its own meaning. Let's explore the meaning. A tool is a tangible or digital instrument used to perform a specific task or achieve a particular outcome. It is a device or resource that aids in the execution of activities. In the context of problem-solving or innovation, a tool can be a physical object, software, framework, or even a set of guidelines that facilitates a specific aspect of the process. For example, brainstorming cards, survey software, or a design thinking framework can be considered tools in the context of innovation. Moving forward with terms, a method refers to a systematic way or procedure for accomplishing something. It is a structured approach or technique employed to perform a series of related actions, often in a specific order. In problem-solving or innovation, a method outlines a step-by-step process to address challenges or create new solutions. For instance, design thinking is a method that involves empathizing, defining the problem, ideating, prototyping, and testing as sequential steps to innovate and create user-centric solutions. Finally, an approach is a broader and more comprehensive strategy or perspective that guides how a task or goal is undertaken. It encompasses the overall philosophy, mindset, or framework that shapes decision-making and actions. In the context of problem-solving or innovation, an approach sets the tone for the entire process. For example, a human-centered design approach prioritizes understanding the needs and perspectives of end users throughout the innovation journey. In summary, a tool is a specific instrument or resource. A method is a systematic procedure, and an approach is a broader strategy or perspective. Together, they contribute to effective problem-solving, innovation, and goal achievement by providing practical means, structured processes, and overarching frameworks, respectively. While we start with the terminology, it has to be acknowledged that there are often overlaps, mixture, and simultaneous use of different terms. For instance, approaches and frameworks to foster social innovation also may fall under the tools and methods category. Hence, this part of the module is rather insight with the aim to make an impulse for the further, self-paced learning. Broadly speaking, the most often used tools and methods for social innovation are diverse and dynamic, reflecting the complexity of addressing societal challenges. Some of these methods are picked up for further discussion within this module. As previously stated, there might be a great overlap between terms. Nevertheless, there are few particularly important to mention. We start with the design thinking and human-centered approach that emphasizes empathy and iterative prototyping, is widely adopted to understand user needs and develop innovative solutions. Continuing to the collaborative platforms, both physical and digital, provide spaces for diverse stakeholders to exchange ideas, co-create, and collaborate on solutions. Social labs serve as experimental spaces where stakeholders from different sectors come together to test and refine innovative ideas in real-world contexts. Crowdsourcing, an inclusive method of gathering ideas from a broad audience, taps into collective intelligence for creative problem-solving. Open innovation, which involves engaging external contributors in the innovation process, expands the pool of ideas and perspectives. These are few to mention, with deeper exploration further in this module. Now let's focus on 3 tools, previously already briefly mentioned. We start with the design thinking and human-centered design. Design thinking and human-centered design, HCD, are powerful methodologies that share a fundamental commitment to understanding and addressing the needs of end users. Design thinking, with its iterative process of empathizing, defining problems, ideating, prototyping, and testing, provides a flexible framework for creative problem-solving. It encourages a mindset of embracing complexity and ambiguity, fostering cross-disciplinary collaboration to generate innovative solutions. On the other hand, human-centered design, inherently user-centric, follows a 3-phase process of inspiration, ideation, and implementation. It places a significant emphasis on creating solutions that are not only desirable, but also highly usable, incorporating rapid prototyping and usability testing. Both methodologies prioritize empathy, iteration, and collaboration, making them essential approaches in fostering creativity and innovation while ensuring the creation of meaningful and user-friendly solutions. Whether applied independently or in tandem, design thinking and human-centered design guide designers and innovators toward holistic problem-solving and user-centric outcomes. Collaborative platforms and online tools provide digital spaces where diverse stakeholders, including non-profits, businesses, government entities, and communities, can collaborate, share insights, and collectively work towards innovative solutions. Online tools facilitate real-time communication, enabling geographically dispersed teams to collaborate seamlessly. Crowdsourcing platforms, such as Kickstarter and OpenIdeo, empower communities to contribute ideas and resources, fostering a collective approach to problem-solving. Social media platforms amplify the reach of social innovation initiatives, enabling widespread awareness and engagement. Additionally, project management tools, virtual collaboration spaces, and digital prototyping platforms streamline the innovation process. The synergy of collaborative platforms and online tools catalyzes the democratization of social innovation, making it more inclusive, accessible, and responsive to the dynamic needs of the global community. Open innovation and crowdsourcing have emerged as transformative approaches that leverage collective intelligence to drive innovation across diverse sectors. Open innovation entails organizations collaborating with external partners, sharing ideas, and incorporating external expertise to advance their goals. It breaks down traditional silos, fostering a culture of collaboration and idea exchange beyond organizational boundaries. Crowdsourcing, on the other hand, involves tapping into the collective wisdom of a large group, often the public, to gather ideas, solutions, or feedback. Platforms like Kickstarter, Innocentive, and OpenIdeo exemplify the power of crowdsourcing in generating innovative solutions to complex challenges. Both open innovation and crowdsourcing harness the diversity of thought, enabling a broader range of perspectives to contribute to problem solving. By inviting external input, organizations can tap into a wealth of creativity, accelerating the innovation process and enhancing the quality of outcomes. These approaches underscore a paradigm shift towards more inclusive and transparent innovation, where ideas flow seamlessly across traditional boundaries, ultimately leading to more impactful and sustainable solutions. Last but no least are 2 methods closely related to social innovation: Co-creation and co-design processes represent collaborative approaches that empower diverse stakeholders to actively participate in the development of solutions. In co-creation, individuals, organizations, and communities collectively contribute to the ideation and implementation of innovative ideas. This process not only values the insights of end users, but also incorporates their expertise, fostering a sense of ownership and inclusivity. Similarly, co-design emphasizes the collaborative involvement of various stakeholders in the design process, ensuring that the final solution aligns with the needs and aspirations of the intended users. Both co-creation and co-design are inherently linked to social innovation, as they prioritize engagement and collaboration to address complex societal challenges. By involving the people directly affected by a problem in the creation or design of solutions, these processes enhance the relevance, effectiveness, and sustainability of innovations. Co-creation and co-design, therefore, play a pivotal role in fostering social innovation by democratizing the innovation process and amplifying the voices of those whose lives are directly impacted by the solutions being developed. At the very end of this module's learning, we come to the social impact measurement and evaluation. Even this have not been broadly discussed. Social impact measurement is integral part of any social innovation process and serve as critical components, providing the tools and frameworks to assess the effectiveness and outcomes of innovative initiatives. These processes go beyond traditional metrics, delving into the holistic assessment of how a project or intervention creates positive change in society. Social impact measurement involves defining and quantifying the intended social outcomes, capturing both quantitative and qualitative data to gauge success. Evaluation, on the other hand, is the systematic analysis of this data to understand the overall impact, identify areas for improvement, and inform decision-making. The linkage between social impact measurement and social innovation lies in their symbiotic relationship. Social innovation aims to address complex societal challenges through novel approaches, and effective impact measurement and evaluation mechanisms ensure that these approaches lead to tangible, positive outcomes. By systematically assessing the social impact of innovative solutions, organizations and initiatives can refine their strategies, replicate successful models, and scale their impact. In essence, social impact measurement and evaluation are integral, not only for accountability and transparency, but also for the continuous improvement and evolution of social innovations, fostering a more effective and sustainable approach to positive societal change. In the realm of social innovation, a diverse toolkit of tools, methods, and approaches is employed to drive positive change. From collaborative platforms and online tools that facilitate global cooperation, to design thinking and human-centered design methodologies that prioritize user needs, the landscape is rich with innovative approaches. Open innovation and crowdsourcing harness collective intelligence, breaking down traditional silos and inviting a multitude of perspectives into the creative process. Co-creation and co-design processes democratize innovation by involving diverse stakeholders, fostering inclusivity, and ensuring solutions align with real-world needs. Social impact measurement and evaluation serve as essential components, providing the means to assess the effectiveness and outcomes of these innovations systematically. Altogether, this comprehensive toolbox reflects the dynamic and interdisciplinary nature of social innovation, combining technological advancements, human-centered methodologies, and collaborative frameworks to address complex societal challenges.